Well, good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine. Welcome to my cabin today. As always, get yourself a cup of coffee. I'm setting out here in a brand new fish house today. And I'll get into that in another video. But this is the family size fish house that I was been building. It's taken me a little over a week and a half. I gathered up the pots and stuff a long time ago. Probably I bought all the materials probably a month ago. But then weather and everything else, we had some ice storms, all that stuff hindered me from being able to build it. I built it right here in the driveway. Most of the week we've been in a cold front here for almost 2 weeks. And it's nice today, but tomorrow it's supposed to come back and we've got another cold front coming in. So I ended up building this fish house at about -10 to -20 below almost every day. But it was the time that I had. You can't waste any time. That's what I had. So I didn't videotape very much of it. I've got a couple of clips here and there, but I mainly had to work at it and get this thing built. And cameras and all of that at 10 below zero, 20 below zero, just a little bit more than what I wanted to put into it. Plus, when you start videotaping everything takes twice as long, if not 3 times as long, because so much time is spent setting the shots up, setting the camera up, and all of that. And when it's that cold, you spend all that time keeping the cameras warm and keeping the batteries warm. So anyways, when I'm putting this out tomorrow, it's going out on the lake. I'm going to use the snow dog to pull it out. I've been pulling it in and out of the driveway for snowstorms and stuff. So it's been working out great there. But tomorrow we're actually going to move this fish house out on the lake that it's going to set on for the rest of the winter. So I'll give you a tour of the fish house once it's set up and on the lake. A little quick tour. I've got a vent up here for a fresh air vent. I heat it with a kerosene heater. I've got a big window off here to my left. And all of these are windows too. I got a window behind me. I put curtains in them so that it helps with making videos. I can control. You wouldn't want bright light behind me. It wouldn't work out for the videos. So by putting these curtains in, I can control the lighting just a little bit. I've got 2 reasons you should subscribe to this channel. The first one is if you've clicked on one of my thumbnails. The second one is this channel is all about the great outdoors, the state of Maine. Everything that I do here at the Rustic off-grid cabin. But anyways, a big thank you to I had one subscriber that donated $100 to the fish house build. It's Jarhead. His name is Mark. So Mark, thank you very much. Here is a part of your $100 is in here. So, and then another big thank you. Actually, big thank you to all of you, because I paid for this fish house through the commercials that you tolerate in my videos. So thank you to all of you. You all had a part by watching those commercials or clicking through them. Whatever you do is fine with me. But the commercials and the $100 donation, as well as Patreon. I want to thank all of the Patreon members. You guys were a huge help in getting this accomplished. Between the $100 donation and the Patreon donations towards the channel has made this fish house possible for my family. I built this fish house up for my grandsons exclusively. I call it, the name of this fish house is Turnkey Fish House. Because I'm going to set this up over on the lake, it will be ready to go. It's all furnished. It's got the heater. And that's why I'm calling it turnkey. I have handed my daughter a key to the fish house, and that's why I named it Turnkey. So the name of this fish house, when you see it in the videos, is Turnkey Fish House. I just got a kick out of that. My daughter brought up this year that she wanted to take the boys out ice fishing. So I thought the best way to look anybody to go ice fishing is in a fish house, because it's warm, it's comfortable. You can have hot chocolate, you can cook a lunch, and I want the boys to enjoy it. So the best way that I could come up with for them to enjoy ice fishing, as well as myself, because I love taking them out anyways, but we can have more of a family memory here with the fish house. So once again, thank you to everyone that had a part in putting this together for me and my family. We greatly appreciate it. And I appreciate the support of this channel. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of time. But you guys' comments are great. You're watching. It's just, everything is good. So once again, thank you all for everyone's part in making this this come together. So, but I wanted Mark to know that, here you go, Mark. Here's a part of your $100 bill. And this fish house, I have got fish houses that I've had for 20 years. This fish house, as long as it's maintained, will last 20 years or more. And maintaining it is very simple. Just keep it up off the ground. When I bring it home, I block it up on 6x6s, keep it off the ground, keep it out of the sun. I put a steel roof on it. So it's not heavy. It'll pull nice on the lake. And you cannot put that heater up on high without having the window open and the vent open to let some of the heat out. So we will be plenty warm in the new fish house.